This How to 1 Minute will show you how to recover a lost password in WordPress. If you're trying to log into your WordPress admin dashboard and you forgot your password, follow these easy steps to reset your WordPress login password from login page. So from your login page, click on Lost Your Password, and here in this box write your admin username or email and click on Get New Password. And now you will get a mail with reset login password link. Just go to your Gmail and open the mail and click on this link to reset your admin password. And now here you can write your new password and click on Save Password. And as you can see, my admin password has been successfully reset. Now enter here your username, write your new password, click on Login, and that's how you will be logged into your account. This is how we can reset lost password in WordPress. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.